Guys, today I'm making a very quick vegetable stir fry or sauteed vegetables, whatever you call it. Let's take a quick look at all the ingredients we'll be using today. For the vegetables, we have red and yellow bell peppers, broccoli, French beans, baby corn and tofu. For seasoning, we'll need salt, black pepper, dark soy sauce, white vinegar, jaggery powder for a touch of sweetness, and finally, white sesame seeds to finish. I'm starting with a 200-gram block of tofu cut into neat little cubes. Tofu is such a great protein. It absorbs flavors beautifully and cooks in minutes. If you don't have tofu, you can easily use paneer instead. Paneer is richer and higher in calories while tofu is lighter. Both work beautifully, so choose what suits your preference. One more important thing, guys. As you can see, I have cut tofu in cubes like this. This is because cubes work best for stir fries because they cook evenly and hold their shape while tossing. So please be mindful. Next is red bell pepper. I like to cut it into halves first. Remove the stem and seeds. Now I'm removing the seeds not because they are harmful, but the dish tastes cleaner without the seeds. Then chop it into bite-sized pieces. Going in with yellow bell pepper next. Honestly, the more colors you add, the better it looks and tastes. This recipe is very forgiving. Use whatever vegetables you already have. Baby corn chopped, broccoli florets already cleaned and some fresh beans for that extra crunch. Now let's cook. A little olive oil into a hot pan and the tofu goes in first. I saute it on medium heat until it gets a light golden, slightly crisp crust. This step adds so much texture. Once the tofu is lightly browned, all the vegetables go straight in. Season with salt and freshly ground pepper and give everything a good mix, just enough to coat the veggies. Then give everything a good toss so the tofu and vegetables mix evenly. At this stage, we are just letting the vegetables soften slightly while still keeping their color and crunch. Alright, now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, just a small amount. It adds depth and brings all the flavors together. Next goes in white vinegar, about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons. This adds a gentle tang and balances the savory flavors beautifully. Now, to balance the flavor, I like to add a touch of sweetness here. You can use jaggery powder, maple syrup, honey, brown sugar, or even a little castor sugar, whatever you prefer. I'm using jaggery today because it gives a mild, natural sweetness without overpowering the vegetables. Give everything a good toss so the vegetables are evenly coated. Then I'm going to cover the pan and let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes maximum. This helps to remove the rawness from the vegetables while keeping them crunchy and vibrant. Now finish it with some white sesame seeds for texture, and that's it. Simple, quick and full of flavors. So friends, if you like my recipe, please don't go without subscribing. I'm Soumya. Bye-bye.